In a recent video, I gave you guys the exact formula for growing on YouTube. That video kind of covered the mental side of things rather than the physical actions. So in this video, we're gonna go over some stuff that you can do physically that's gonna help you grow on YouTube. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Business with Mikey and Aaron. I'm Mikey. Aaron is not in this video today, but I'm pretty sure you'll see him on the channel in the future, or you probably already seen him on the channel in older videos. But like I said, today we're going over some growth hacks that you can do on YouTube. This is like physical actions that you can do. Keep in mind that the last video that I did about how to grow on YouTube in 2021, that's the more important video because that's how you actually grow. These hacks, quote unquote hacks, are not going to just miraculously help you grow 100,000 subscribers tomorrow. They help, but they only help if you do the things that I talked about in the other video. So go check out the other video, how to grow on YouTube in 2021, and then you can come back and check out these growth hacks that'll help you speed up the process. We're gonna start with the strategy that I mentioned in that other video just to knock it out the way, and it's the piggyback strategy. This is where you find somebody who creates the type of videos that you create. So if you do Call of Duty gaming, or if you do YouTube tutorials, or if you do reactions about anime, find somebody bigger than you, probably 3 or 4 times bigger, that does similar content, and go to their list of videos. Now, when you get to their list of videos, you want to find the anomalies in terms of the views. So if they're averaging 50,000 views a video, you want to find the videos with 150,000 views or 200,000 views or 1,000,000 views. You want to find the ones that have way more views than the average that they typically have. And you want to use these concepts in your own videos. You don't even have to watch the videos, but you can take those ideas and concepts and recreate them and make them your own. Now, when I do this, I don't watch their video because I don't want to be jaded by what they already did. I just want to take the concept and the idea and put my spin on it because I know people are clicking on or looking for that type of video. All right, we're already on to the next one. This video might actually be pretty short, but it's real simple. Make longer videos. My recommendation would be to make videos that are 8 to 15 minutes long. And the reason you want to do this is because the way YouTube works, it works off of watch time and audience retention. The longer you can keep people watching, the more likely YouTube is gonna push your content to other people. So if you have the majority of the people that click on a video watching about 8 minutes of it, 10 minutes of that video, YouTube is gonna go, oh, these people are watching for a good little minute. Let me push the other videos because they might watch those longer as well. And that's keeping those people on YouTube. Because what does YouTube want? They want to keep people on YouTube. So the idea with making longer videos is to keep people watching for longer. Now, in order to do this, you also have to have good content. Like, you can't just throw filler stuff in those 8 to 15 minutes and expect people to watch. If the video is BS, they're gonna click off. So in that 8 to 15 minute window, you actually have to provide some sort of value, whether that's entertainment or education, that's gonna keep those people watching. Now, the reason I say 8 to 15 minutes is because let's say you make a 3 or 4 minute video and then you have a 8 to 10 minute video. Somebody can watch that whole 3 or 4 minute video and then double back and watch 6 minutes of the 8 to 10 minute video. And in YouTube's eyes, the 8 to 10 minute video won because that person stayed on that video for 6 minutes versus the 3 or 4 minutes. Even though it was the whole 3 or 4 minutes, this one over here was 6 minutes. So if you can make videos that are longer, that actually have value in every minute of that video, then YouTube's gonna favor you. And I can personally say this from experience because Aaron and I have been experimenting with longer videos on our reaction channel, and it absolutely works. Not only did the CPM, like revenue, go up, but the watch time went up, suggested videos went up, all of that stuff went up because we started making longer content or doing longer reactions. This next one is a simple one that may not seem like it works, but it actually helps a lot. Use playlists. So eventually, when you're being consistent on YouTube and you're creating videos on schedule and you've been going for months, you're gonna build up a catalog of videos. What you want to do to help out is to create playlists of certain types of videos. So in our case, for example, we react to a lot of videos from a creator named Meat Canyon. And there's a lot of people who come for those Meat Canyon reactions. So we put those Meat Canyon reactions in a playlist to help people find similar videos. So if somebody comes and watches us react to the latest Meat Canyon videos, they can simply find that playlist of all the Meat Canyon videos we've reacted to, and it's gonna keep them on our channel and ultimately on YouTube for longer because they're watching videos that they like to watch. And it's right there, easily accessible in a playlist. So if you have a channel about a particular thing and there's little subcategories in that particular thing, make playlists for people. The larger your catalog of videos grows, playlist is gonna help people find particular things that they're looking for. This one is real important to building a YouTube channel. You need to build a sense of community. Well, not just a sense of community, an actual community. Help people realize that they belong in this community. When they come to this channel, they're not coming just for the videos, they're coming to hang out with the group. They're coming to hang with the community. So in our case, we've built InternetCity, the What It Do crew. When people come, they feel like they're a part of the city. They're a part of internet culture. They're a part of the What It Do crew. And we've also extended this community by creating a group outside of YouTube. So you can use Facebook groups. You can use stuff like Discord or Reddit. We personally created a Discord channel or server where the What It Do crew can come and hang out with other members of the What It Do crew. And we have fun in there. We make memes, they make art, we joke about stuff, talk about different stuff. There's a sense of belonging and community on our channel, and it helps us when new people come and they're like, dang, the What It Do crew seems dope. Now, you don't have to have a crew name per se or a community name, but that does help. If you notice, a lot of your favorite YouTubers have a community name for the people who are super fans of them. So create a sense of community, interact in the comments, talk to people on Instagram or Facebook or wherever your community likes to hang out. Let people know you're welcomed here. I love that you're here, and we all want you to be a part of this special community. It especially helps to keep people around, keep people watching. And last but not least, I talked about this in another recent video, but use trends within your niche. So whatever it is you're making videos about, capitalize on the trends that are going on in that particular niche or category. Because if you can capitalize on the right trend and make the right video about the right trend in your own way, you could really blow up. Like there's been times where we've made reactions or even tutorials about a specific topic that was blowing up at the time, and that catapulted our channel to the next level. So don't be afraid to take advantage of trends. You don't have to hop on every trend. You don't have to make only videos about trends, but you do need to capitalize on some of these trends that are happening in your particular niche. That's it. That's the growth hacks. Like I said, these growth hacks are not the most important things to do. Like they're cool, they help speed up the process. What you really need to do is more in the mental and not in these little tiny growth hacks. So check out the video I did, how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. Really pay attention and really implement those strategies, because that's what's gonna help you grow and get subscribers and get views and all of that. These are just things to add on top of that will compound and make things go smoother or faster. That's it. You'll catch either me or Aaron in the next video, and we hope to see you back here soon. Subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, peace out.